Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with you to share a simple fried rice recipe. So let's see the ingredients first. Ginger and 3 cloves of garlic, onion and curry leaves, 2 carrots grated or cut into small pieces, a little amount of cabbage. If you wish, you can take 3 or 4 green beans, onion leaves, 4 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 4 eggs, and finally rice. First add oil and let it heat. Then add garlic and ginger into it. Next add onion and curry leaves to it and let it fry for about a minute. Now you can add your vegetables to it except onion leaves and let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the eggs and mix it slightly. Add a little bit of salt according to your preferred taste. Now you can add the rice and mix it well. Add soy sauce and sugar to it and mix them well. It is required to add sugar if you are adding soy sauce. Finally, you can add the onion leaves and also make sure to switch off the gas cooker at this time. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you try this soon. Goodbye till the next video.